Hello and welcome to the ASUG News Studio, sponsored by NTT Data. I'm Craig Powers, and today I am joined by Peter Chen, Global Finance Manager at, of Deloitte Global. And we're going to talk about your mobile BI rollout at Deloitte.
Right.
So welcome.
Thank you very much. Thanks for having me.
Great.
Thanks.
So obviously Deloitte is a very large SAP shop. What were you looking to do with this mobile BI rollout, and what were you doing before?
Well, you're right, Craig. I mean, we're obviously a global network with $34 billion in revenue, 200,000 professionals all over the world. So managing all the member firm operational financial data and providing the analytics and information back to the global C-level executives is a big task. It's actually a very important, critical task as well. Prior to engaging the SAP BI, certainly way before even mobile BI was in the picture, we were primarily counting on paper, Excel, a lot of handshaking, manual labor. So in 2011, we engaged the business object, SAP BI. We put everything on the dashboard. So people all over the world can consume truly the one version of the information, and easily consumable. And in 2012, we pushed the same content into the iPad, immediately got the executives in interest. Obviously mobile and the analytics go hand in hand. And we were talking about fingertip, touch, consumption of the information, right? We are talking about the retina display. We're talking about accessing information anytime, anywhere.
Right.
I mean, one of the executives said it very nicely for me. So in between meetings, when there's 5 minutes, now he can easily refresh the information, get the latest information before he meets the next executive. So that's the power of mobile BI.
Yeah. Yep. So obviously, it sounds like the end users, which are the top level people at Deloitte, are really enjoying it. So, what is the feedback? You say they like in between meetings. What is the feedback overall on how that's impacted how they use your BI information?
There are two aspects of mobile BI. Not only they can access information anytime, anywhere, combined again is the iPad, the user experience of the SAP mobile BI app is not just a carbon copy of what's on the desktop.
Right.
It is the incorporated all the nice features, nice little touches of what iPad gave us. So it's a combination of experience and access of information that brings the interest and the access to the information to a higher level. So we used to have about 200 executives that accessing those dashboards on the desktop.
Right.
And we're getting those additional requests compounded. Now we have in the numbers close to thousands.
Wow.
So that is the power of a combination of analytics plus the mobile.
Wow, that sounds great. And so I guess we were talking earlier about how you made this and how you were able to the way you were able to brand it to make it even more adaptable. So can you tell me a little bit about that?
Oh, sure, absolutely. I mean, one thing that I was also part of the SAP Mobile BI Influence Council, working with ASUG, obviously.
Great.
Yep. So one of the nice things that the SAP brought along with the mobile BI app is the SDK, the software development kit, which allows the customers to take not only the app itself, but also build our own branding, our own names, our own customer, company brand colors, layouts, so which allows the business stakeholders to claim not only using SAP Mobile BI, but in a way, it feels like their own brand, their own app.
Right.
So that brings an additional ownership, responsibility, and interest into the project, into the deliverables.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
And real quick, we got about 20 seconds.
Sure.
What's if you had to narrow it down to one key tip for another customer looking to deploy a mobile BI, what would you say?
Bring it in front of your business stakeholders. They will love it. The wow factor is there, and when they see it, they want it.
Awesome. That sounds great.
Yep.
Well, thank you for being on, Peter.
Great.
And have a great rest of your tech ed.
Thank you very much. Again, it's nice to have you.
Thank you.
Thanks. Thank you very much.
And thank you for joining us. For more SAP customer stories, head to asugnews.com.